welcome back. And if you're brand new here, we are Steven and Nudge. Hopefully that's the right stuff. Sanding it all down here now. Yep. So the sanding is done. They went home for lunch. And yeah, when they come back, they're gonna start painting. So basically what you're watching here on this video is some renovations that have taken place on the house here in Thailand over the last 2 days. All we had done was painting to the front of the house and while sanding and painting, and then those wooden shutter windows replaced with glass windows and screens. That's basically it. That's it. That's all. That's all we've done. That's all we're doing this trip to Thailand. So sit back and relax, and I will just show clips of the before and after, and I will give you the breakdown of the costs, the real life and real cost of living in rural Thailand. You like the color? You like the color?
Yeah, it's okay.
Really?
You like it?
Doesn't. It's not matching the door, but when you look at everything and the door.
It's about a wood, you see.
Yeah, I know. How much did you say that? Well, besides paying for the paint and the brushes and everything, how much did you say they were going to be charging? 4,000? Just 4,000 Thai baht, and they pay for the people that are helping?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
2,000 best off.
That's all. And then the paint and the brushes and everything, that how much that cost? 1,000 something?
Around 1,500.
1,500 for sandpaper,
Yeah.
paint, 5 cans of paint, and brushes. Your toast is ready. Okay, so coming up are the before and after pictures of the house. Except for the very first picture that looks like the after is actually AI generated. I asked AI to create a picture of the house if it was the same, if the upstairs was the same color as the downstairs doors. It didn't exact match, unfortunately, because of the different types of wood. It doesn't really look like that at all, but wishful thinking. Okay, so now the final reveal. It's all done. Okay, I'm going to give you the price of everything right now, but before I do that, I want you to take a look at the video in its entirety and tell me, wherever you live in this world, how would these costs compare? I'm going to give you the Thai Baht, which is 5,710 for the 6 cans of paint, the sandpaper, the paint brushes, and all of the labor. 5,710 Thai Baht equals 242 Canadian dollars and 177 US dollars at today's currency exchange. These numbers are rounded up. For the windows, for them to take out the old wooden shutters, replace it with glass and screens, including the labor, was 5,000 Thai Baht, which equals 211 Canadian dollars and $155 US funds. Now, again, what would you be paying for a job like this where you come from? Let me know in the comments below.
Sun setting, it looks good. Now it looks a lot better with the windows and the fresh paint. YouTube thinks you're going to like the video that comes up on the screen next, and I hope you click on it because it just helps our channel and it's free to do. Alright? Till the next one.